Hey, to change theme of your Microsoft Edge browser, all you have to do is just to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, open the settings, and now go into the left side and select appearance. And right now you can find some default themes. Let's try, for example, the bubblegum. So click on it with the left mouse button, and now as you can see, the theme has changed. Also, if you want to get like more interesting themes, you can discover them from here. So click on it. Now you will be moved into this Microsoft Store. You will be selected with the themes, and from here we can download something. For example, we can download maybe this panda in the Wonderland. So we have to click on the download button, and now click to add theme. From here you will get a notification that it is actually downloading, and after a few seconds you will get this theme set up as a default. I mean as a main theme on your Edge browser. So it's actually just right here. And yeah, that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.